Hello and welcome to another video on how to secure yourself financially. So in today's video, I'm going to look at the different financial statement ratios and calculations that the investors use to evaluate a company. And these ratios vary by industry. So, in other words, first I look at the debt to equity ratio, which is it measures the degree at which a company is financing its operations with debt rather than with its own resource. And this metric is essentially and crucial for or in the financial sector. When I look at debt to equity, or in Spanish, deuda capital, right? So this formula, what it does is to take all of the total amount of liabilities and divide by the amount of equity. So investors often modify this D/E ratio and consider only long-term assets. I mean long-term liabilities or long-term debt, because it carries more risk than short-term obligations. So, for example, I asked ChatGPT about example of long-term liabilities, okay, or long-term liabilities here. So we have is 30-year fixed mortgage. Okay, so 30-year fixed mortgage. Current mortgage, okay, net wallets, current mortgage rates. Compare current mortgage rates. Interest rate. What the hell? Mortgage rate. On Friday, August 25, 2023, the average APR, well, actually it doesn't mean APR. In finance. Annual percentage rate. Annual percentage rate. Annual percentage rate refers to the yearly interest generated by a sum that charged to borrower or paid to investor. Okay. Annual percentage rate. So annual percentage rate on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage fell 12 basic points to 7,180. The average APR on a 50-year fixed rate rose 5 basic points. Okay, basic points. Yeah, basic points. Okay. Basic point explained for interest rates and investment. A common unit of measure for interest rates and another percentage in finance. 1 basic point is equal to 1. Okay. 1 basic point is equal to 1 divided by 100 of 1% or 0.01%. In decimal form, 1 basis points appear as this. Understand the basic point.
The basis point, generally abbreviated BP, is a common unit of measure for interest rates and other percentages in finance. A basis point is equal to 1/100th of 1%, or 0.01%.
0.01%.
So 100 basis points equal 1%. While basis
Exactly.
points are increasingly used in regular discussion of financial reporting, Joe's Pizza increased its operating margin by 200 basis points.
Exactly. So Joe Pizza increased its operating margin by 200 basic points, meaning it's by 2%.
It is ever present in fixed income. It is very common for bonds and loans to be quoted in basis point terms. For example, the
Okay, it's very common for bonds and loans to be underlying on basic
interest
points.
rate on a 4% bond is 50 basis points higher than the interest rate on a 3.5% bond. By using basis points, traders and analysts remove some of the ambiguity that can arise in talking of percentage moves. If an instrument is priced for a 10% rate of interest, a 10% move in rates could conceivably mean that the rate is now 11% or 20%. Use of basis points in this case, a 100 basis point move or a 1,000 basis point move, would create no such ambiguity.
It's to avoid ambiguity for that. So annual percentage. Okay. So when they talk about is fixed mortgage fell 12 basic point to this. But Jesus fucking Christ. And when they say fell 12 basic point is 0.2%, or in this case 0.12%. The average period of 15-year rates mortgage rose 5 basic points to this. Top rated national lenders: NBKC, New American Funding. And what is a mortgage? Most people don't have the cash to simply buy a house. Instead, they use a mortgage, which is a loan to buy a home. After making a down payment, written by Kay Woods. Okay, author, lead writer, home buyer, mortgage and home owner. How to get a lower rate, mortgage rate. Kate also narrowed in Washington Post, NPR, and Eman. The Nerd Wallet. Okay. Kate joined Nerd Wallet in 2019 as a writer on the homes and mortgage team. With an educational background in sociology, Kate feels strongly about issues like housing inequality and relish any opportunity to demystify the home buying process. Prior to joining Ned Waller, she wrote about home remodeling, decor, and maintenance for this old house magazine. Despite having learned just how difficult old house can be, Kate purchased and is slowly renovating an 18th century homes in Eastern Connecticut. Oh my god. Master agreed BA in sociology from Brazil College and Master in sociology from UC San Diego. hmm Okay, this is Kay Wood. Making down a payment So most people don't have the cash to simply buy a house. Instead, they use mortgage, which is a loan, to buy a home. After making a down payment of anywhere from 3 to 25%, they get a mortgage to cover the remaining cost of purchasing the home. A mortgage is set up so you can pay off the loan over a specified period called the term. The most popular term is 30 years. Each payment includes a combination of principal and interest, as well as property taxes, and if needed, mortgage insurance. Homeowners insurance may be included, or the homeowner may pay the insurance directly. Principal is the original amount of money you borrow, while interest is what you have been charged to borrow the money. Exactly. How do mortgage rates? Factors you can change. Your credit score. Mortgage lenders use credit score to evaluate risk. Higher score are seen as safer. In other words, the lender is more confident that you will successfully make your mortgage payment. Your down payment. Paying a large percentage of the home price upfront reduce the amount you are borrowing and makes you seem less risky to lenders. You can calculate your loan to value ratio to check this out. A LTV of 80% loan to value or more is considered high. Your loan type. Force you can control the US economy, the global economy. What happening around the world would influence US market. Global political worry can move mortgage rate lower. Good news may push rate higher. The Federal Reserve, the national central bank, attempts to guide the economy with the twin goals of encouraging job growth while keeping inflation under control. Decisions made by the Federal Open Market Committee to raise or cut short-term interest rate can sometimes cause lenders to raise or cut mortgage rate. How and why to compare mortgage rate? Mhm. But again, it's like, so how you can calculate this? Current mortgage and refinance. But this is in thousand? Holy shit. Mm. So 30 fixed mortgage year, 15-year fixed mortgage, 10-year treasury bonds. 10-year treasury bonds, which are long-term debt. Corporate 10-year bonds. Okay, example. So for example, we like to have a calculator of this, calculator, calculator, mortgage calculator, home price, down payment, 30-year loan rate, interest rate of 5%. Current mortgage rates, loan amount, property value. Mhm. Credit score. Mortgage payment formula. How Bank mortgage calculator can help you. So principal and interest, amortization for mortgage loan. Principal paid, interest, loan balance. Amortization schedule breakdown. Total cost of the loan. Loan amount. Total interest paid. Holy hell. You will end up paying the double for that shit. Because they take in consideration inflation and that kind of thing. Damn son. They take in consideration that kind of thing. Amortization for mortgage loan. Principal and interest, homeowner insurance, property taxes. Loan amount. Total cost of the loan. Monthly payment breakdown. Current mortgage rates for August 25 to 2023. Current mortgage rate. 30-year fix. Monthly payment. Jesus. Bank rate mortgage. Home purchase. Single family home. Townhome. Condominium. Permanent residence. Where are you in the home buying process? Researching option. Would you like to be connected with a trust real estate agent in your area? I'm satisfied with my agent. What is the estimated purchase price of the property? Holy hell. Something like this. What is your estimated down payment? Putting at least 20% down will help you avoid private mortgage insurance. Through some lender will let you put as little as 3% down. 20%. 20%. What is your estimated credit score? Are you or your spouse an active military member or reserve member or veteran? No. What is your employment status? No. What is the annual gross income of the borrower or borrowers? Annual income. God damn it. Your selection. Okay, and then they're going to make your registration for that. Come on, man. Fuck that. Monthly payment. Holy hell. What if the property value of that house is something below that, you know? In Santa Barbara. But in this case, come on, man. Yeah, Santa Barbara or the other, in Santa Barbara or in Texas, Arizona. Come on, man. Texas. Austin, Houston, or Dallas. 4-day Dallas, San Antonio, Houston. Houston. Um, Houston, Houston, Houston zip code. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Damn, Santa Clara is so fucking expensive. What the hell? Jesus. Wow. Holy fuck. Nigga. Holy moly. God damn it. 7% annual percentage rate. Jesus. Jesus. What about Miami? Miami zip code. Florida. Holy shit. Okay. Holy hell. Damn. Okay. No, you gotta be in a city where the action is happening. You know? You gotta be in a city where action is happening. Mm, like this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Damn, son. Okay, long term, 30 years or 15 years. Mm-hmm. Wow, holy shit. Holy hell. Okay. Principal and the interest. Jesus, god damn it. Holy moly. Okay, this is a very interesting website. Okay, so bank rate where you can do this mortgage calculator. Okay, when you can do this mortgage calculator. Holy hell. And basically, and so in today's video, I just wanted to know more about this long-term liabilities or long-term debt, where investor adjust the debt to equity to have a more refined or more precise uh, debt, or to get a more precise value. Okay, because long-term debt carry more risk than short-term obligations. Of course. So 30-year fixed mortgage and 15-year fixed mortgage, okay, are common type of residential mortgage. All right, this is our common type of residential mortgage. Interesting. So I put here some calculator to a 30%. Based on this, and the loan amounted. Property value. I don't think. I don't think those property are like that price. Property in Doral. Property buy house in Doral, Miami. For example, right? For example, just want to know is their price. Holy shit! Holy hell! Okay, 1 million. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Okay, okay. You know what? Let's go to put is yeah. Let's go to put it that way. Let's go to put that amount of money, right? So 40. But those fucking Jesus are they're gigantic houses. Like what the hell? Why so fucking gigantic? It's like no man. No, it's like too fucking big, bro. One bath or two bath, one bathroom. You know, it's like one bath, three bathrooms. It's like holy fuck. It's way too fucking much, man. Oh, if you have kids, of course. Okay. Yeah, this is if you want to have kids, my friend. Three bathroom, four bathroom. What the hell is this? This is so massive, bro. 39, 340, 340, 390. Four. I will do this. You know, I will put this price. 400. Jesus. Okay. 400. 440,000. Damn, son. 440,000 to 30 years. To fix to 15 years. Damn, son. Holy hell. Holy hell. But this is in Doral, exactly. And the other is, when you look at this, United States, in Florida, what for real? The capital is Tallahassee? The capital of Florida is Tallahassee? Oh my god. Interesting. I will never figure it out. No, jeez. The capital of Florida is Tallahassee. Tallahassee. Anyway, where is Texas? Texas. Texas. Texas, Austin. Okay, Texas. Not in Austin. Not in Austin. Yeah, Texas, Austin. Okay, loaded. In Houston, man. In Houston. Jersey Village. You know what? Nomad List. Texas. Dallas. Houston. Okay, it's pricey. Interesting. Houston. Another city like Dallas. Dallas. Dallas or Houston. hmm Houston. Okay, Houston. What about when I look at the demographic? So what I'm doing here is just to look what will be the richest or the hipsters and all of that kind of thing, right? Come back Kroger, the hood, hipsters, the hood, El Barrio, Little Mexico, So Park Mexican listener, So Park Mexican listener. Oh my god. Actual hood, this make me scared. Used to be a theme park, hot nurses. Hot nurses. Sunday AM, navigation still hood, young rich, be someone sometimes, young rich professionals, or this or hipster in Gray St. Louis here, What about here? Or this area? Or here? 10 City Trap Trail. Here. Okay. Here. Loudale. No, it's not here. Okay. Loudale in Houston. Loudale side. Something like this, Park Place. Houston Zoo. Like this. Go far. Okay. There's a main street here. The main avenue here. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, now let's going to put this zip code here. Okay. And the mortgage remains the same. But if it wants to take a look at here, okay, houses here. What the hell is even this? Park Place. Okay. But they are all houses. I really don't like houses, man. No, man, I really don't like houses. Okay. Okay, I really don't like houses, man. I really don't like houses. I prefer condos or apartments. I really don't like houses, man. I really don't like houses. Nothing personal, man. What, for real? There isn't? Yeah, I prefer condos. Yeah, even though that I know that might be scary, I prefer that kind of thing, condos. Yeah, I prefer that kind of thing. Holy hell. 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. Yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. Almost 400,000. Almost 400,000. It actually doesn't change too much, you know? It actually doesn't change too much. The monthly payment for that. Holy moly. Anyway. So that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye bye.